Madami akong realization this morning eh. Tsaka marami akong denials sa sarili ko din this morning. Pero I really had to endure everything for me to realize kung ano yung worth nun, kung ano yung value nun. And gusto ko lang din i-clarify kasi may situation dito sa platform na to na na hindi maganda. I just wanted to tell you na what you're that this platform are deceiving. Anything that you're seeing here mostly are not real. 'Di ba? Siguro more on physical, ganyan. Filter kasi to eh, puro filter. Ganyan. Pero yung sinasabi ko, hindi yun nafi-filter. At saka, minsan, yung situation din, 'di ba? Sometimes we look okay, we look healthy. In real life, we look pale, we look ugly, we look different. We look healthy here, pero in person, we're sick. Ganun. So, kaya pag sinabi nila na ang ano naman ito, sakitin sa personal, pero pag dun sa TikTok, kala mo, ano ka ba? This is the only platform, this is the only outlet na kinakapitan ko ngayon just to make myself okay, pretty, ganyan, and beautiful, ganyan. Tapos, eto na lang, papakialaman mo pa. Manood ka na lang, leche ka eh. Pagka nakita mo ako in person, edi you can compare it para alam mo, okay, kaya pala mas okay siya doon sa ganyan. Ganon. Hindi yung kukwestiyonin mo pa kung ano pa yung nangyayari, diba? Ano na lang, ito na nga lang yung, ng pinagsuspendan ko ng time ko doon sa mga remaining days ko. Tapos halimbawa, or exhausted ba ako sa day ko, or kung ano ba nangyayari. Halimbawa, kung hindi naman maganda yung araw ko sa trabaho ko minsan, on the way to work, ganyan. Or, bawa dito sa family, kapag kami konting mga problems, or financially, ganyan. Sometimes, every single aspect na nakaka-apekto sa'yo, you need to get something like platform for you to be able to release everything, yung stress. And what I'm doing is to record myself sometimes if I feel like I wanted to talk a lot instead of talking to someone who is not trustworthy or if I wanted to release the stress out of my system, then I need to sing. Or if I wanted to sing shit out of my nervous or respiratory system, ganyan. Tapos also if I feel like doing it, or if I feel like that I wanted to express myself, my if I think I look good at to that specific outfit, then if ina-flaunt ko siya, ganyan, or if I feel like I'm pretty or beautiful at that moment, or if I just wanted to feel beautiful, then I post something for me to look nice, ganyan. Tapos if I feel nice, if I feel something, then ganun lang. Pero other than that, wala namang iba. Kaya please don't ever try to question my way of expressing myself, kasi we are different. And I'm not questioning you either, 'di ba? Or anyone, or everyone, or anyone na kung ano man yung mga trip nila sa buhay. Kanya-kanya tayong trip, okay? So that's it. Sometimes you have to, if you can't really do something good to other people, just stay nice, just be nice, okay? Or just be quiet, okay? Minsan yung mga pinaggagawa mo, you really are affecting other people, hindi ka naman nakakatuwa, hindi ka nakaka-motivate. If you feel like something makes you irritated or irritable, 'di ba, sa at some point, it's your problem, 'di ba? That's your problem, 'di ba? Hindi na problema ng isang tao 'yun kung bakit ka naiirita sa kanya, ganun. Kung lalo na kung wala namang siyang ginagawa sa iyo. Pero if you directly affected the person, like you are ruining their days, ganyan, tapos you're not really motivating them, you're a threat to them, ganyan, sa progress nila and all, then stay out of their shit. Ganyan, 'di ba? Mind your own shit. Ganun 'yun. If you cannot really do something better to other people that will boost their confidence and all, then stay nice and be kind. Diba? Or just keep your mouth shut. Okay? Para hindi ka magkaroon ng problema, wala rin maging problema yung mga tao sa'yo. That's the thing. So, ito lang yung mga random thoughts and ideas that I usually shared sa ganitong klaseng platform. So, ayun lang. Siyempre, wala na namang point yung sinabi ko. Pero, ang sinasabi ko lang is just that may kanya-kanya tayong pinagdadaan sa buhay. Ngayon, if you see someone that is enjoying the things that he or she likes to do, love to do, then let them, diba? At huwag kang makialam. If you are seeing them struggling in person, then you have to at least support them and not just to roll your eyes on them, 'di ba? Parang everyone is going through something na hindi mo naman naiintindihan kasi nga we are all unique, 'di ba? And what your problem is not her problem, and what her problem is not of your business. Okay? So that's it. Stay kind, be kind, ganyan. If you can afford to let other people live their life on their own, na mahilig kang makialam or mahilig ka umeksena or you're a judgmental masyado, then think of something or think of yourself, 'di ba? Yung ayaw mong gagawin sa'yo, huwag mong gawin sa iba. Ganun lang naman yun eh. Nakakalungkot kasi yung mga ganyan. Nakakaiyak. Charis. Basta ganun lang. Hindi, okay lang magpakatotoo ka sa sarili mo, pero, ano yan eh, boundaries and respect. Respect sa ano ng iba, sa kung anong gusto ng iba, di ba? Other than, kung sasabihin man niya, nitong, kung sino man na to na respect daw eh, nag-go-bad ka dito. Wala kang ang pake, yun nga yun eh. Respeton ba? Kung ano yung trip mo, di ba? Ganun lang yun. Pag hindi mo pa na-gets, kawawa ka naman. O siya. Good morning.